Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, 15 seconds into the first round by knockout. Out of the red corner, Ivan the Terrible Grahala!
All right, Fight Lab. I'm here with Mr. Ivan Grahala. Congratulations on your victory, man.
Thank you.
Was that a dirty right hand you ended up throwing at him to knock him out?
It's just what I worked on the whole training camp.
So tell us kind of how a day looked like in your training camp. After waking up and getting to the gym, what exactly did you work on to prepare you for the fight?
Just my hands. I worked a little bit of ground game because I knew he had some great ground
Good
game.
jits, right?
But yeah, I worked on my tweaks, more of my defensive ground game. So I try to keep it up, standing up. And I knew he had a longer reach, but I managed.
He's a tall dude, so you knocked that boy down. So great job on that.
Thank you.
Take a minute to thank your training partners and tell us what school you train out of, just to let your fans know.
First of all, I couldn't do it without my team, Section 8 MMA, everybody that trains, my coach Chad, my dad for taping my hands, Andy Hepler, my strength and conditioning coach, just all my fans, everybody that came support me, friends, family, everybody. And Fight Lab, of course, for finally letting me fight. I've been wanting to fight for this promotion for a while, and I finally got a chance. So thanks, Fight Lab.
I think you impressed the pit boss, Kenny Letts, and I am almost 100% positive he wants to have you back at another show. We want to see you take it a little bit longer the next time and see your skills really in play.
Definitely.
But congratulations, and we look forward to seeing you back, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good job.